welcome back to my channel, and today I will be planning for the month of December, and I will be using this kit. I have to find the pages. Okay. And then I have the two sidebars that I could choose from. So I think what I'm going to do, if you hear any noises in the background, it's raining where I'm at right now. It might have stopped, but you might hear some water and stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna do like the main thing, like the headers and the numbers and stuff, and I'll be back and we'll go day by day. I did have an issue with the sidebar. I didn't notice this when I cut the kit, but the sidebars are cut improperly. I don't know what's going on, but I have a new blade and everything, but it's still messing up some of the stickers. And same thing with the monthly script. It wouldn't come off. I couldn't get it off for some reason. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I tried to pull it up, and when I did pull it up, it was all jacked up, so I didn't want to put it down. So I don't know what's going on, but everything else, like the days of the week, were fine. But this one did not come out good. Okay, it might be time to get a new cutter. Okay, so anyway, oops. Okay, now and I don't know why I'm getting crumbs and stuff on here. This is the first time I open this page, so I don't know what's going on with that either. The first thing that I have is on the 4th, which is my cat's birthday. Do I want to do the paw print, or do I want to do the balloons? Let's see, which box do I want for him? I think I'll give him this green box. So let's put this down. And I always make my boxes, if you get a kit from me, I always make my boxes a little bit smaller. Just so, you know, if it might be crooked or something like that, it works for you. So they're both pink or tan. I think I'll go with the paw print. Okay, so that's to mark Moo Moo's birthday. Okay, and then the next thing is on the 6th, which is my boyfriend's doctor's appointment. So I think I'll use, here, he'll want me to use one of these. Oh, here we go again. See, this is what I'm talking about. I don't know. And my cut settings are all the same, so I don't get why some are getting cut and some aren't. I don't get it. I have another sheet because this one is definitely off. So I didn't want to use this sheet, but no, this ain't coming off either. What the hell is going on? Okay. So he's just going to have to use... Here, I'll give him this one then. Okay, because his favorite color is green, so... I'm actually going to put it up here because his appointment's pretty early. And, let's see. I just realized that I did not do the little circle like I did with these. This is my kit. I have to check to see if the kits that I have in the shop are like that. And these are off. But this is the only sheet I have like this though, right? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Okay, here's the doctor's thing. But I only have one doctor's thing. Because I have a doctor's appointment too. Actually, I'm going to pull this up. No, I'm not. Never mind. I'll just use the other one. Okay. So he has an appointment on the 6th, and then on the 11th, it's going to be new releases for the shop, so I'll use one of these small ones for that. And I'll put it here. So on the 13th, I have a doctor's appointment. So 13th, I'll use this one. And my appointment's fairly early, so I'll put it up there. And since I use the stethoscope for that, I'll use the car for mine. Put it on this side. And then not a lot is going on this month. Next up is the 19th, and that is for my enrollment appointment for school. So this one I'm going to put down because it's late in the day. And I do have an icon with books, so I will use that for that. And then on the 23rd, there's a couple things going on. Okay, so the next new release would be the 25th, but because that's Christmas, I'm going to have the new releases on Friday because I'm going to have a Christmas sale too. So let me first take this strip. Like I said, I'm going to have new releases on Friday when the sale goes up. So, what do I want to use? I think for that I'll use this one. Okay, and then I'll use. Oh damn. I didn't know I was gonna have both icons like that, but okay, it's fine. And so, and that's everything. Well, that's not everything. I am an affiliate for Erin Condren. There's some stuff going on this month, but I can't show you guys what it is. So I'll put it down after I make the video. If you want to know all the details for like the Erin Condren stuff or anything like that, follow me on Instagram. Okay, to fill these in, I'm going to use one of these pens. I don't know which pen I'm going to use, because this blue one is like close to the blue and it's metallic. Or I could use this one, which is gold. So I don't know which one I want to use. I think the blue would actually be better. And these two pens were in the winter seasonal surprise box. It is sold out now. Okay, I had to take a picture of this first. And then I'm going to fill this out and I'll be right back. So this is how the spread turned out. This is all that I could fill in. I'm sure there's other stuff that's going on. Like, I don't know for Christmas if we're going to my aunt's or if she's coming to our house. There's a lot of stuff that I don't know. And I'll do my checklist as it goes on. It's probably going to be gifts. Like, make sure I get everybody's gift. If you like this type of content, I would love it if you would subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time.